Hi, I'm BIBISARA Assaubayeva. I'm 3 times World Blitz chess champion, and today I'm gonna show what is in my bag. Okay, this is my bag from my wish list.
Oh.
And it was a gift, so I'm really happy to have it because I like this flower.
May I ask who is the gift from?
It's a secret.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine.
And inside, I think the basic thing, the first one is the wallet.
Oh, fancy.
Yes, it was my favorite wallet, that's why I bring it everywhere. Then it's hand cream, I use it every day, from Zelensky with amazing smell.
Oh.
Yeah.
May I?
Yes, and it's nice that it's the black cream.
Wow, wait, it has some interesting color.
Yes.
Whoa.
Then what I have, it's my new favorite lip balm from Charlotte Tilbury with peach oil, I think. Yeah, it's super nice, and it was a recommendation from my mom.
Oh.
Yeah. Then I have napkins.
Oh.
Yeah.
And
The small one, I think it's very cute.
nice.
And I have few more things. It's oil for my nails.
Ooh.
Yeah, because I travel a lot and I can go to the salon only when I'm at home, but usually I'm not at home and I do it by myself. So, yes.
That's a special item.
Yes, and also this is new thing for me. It's like for mouth.
Yeah, it's a
For
refresher.
Yeah, refresh.
Yeah.
Yes,
it's
and
like
the last thing, it's also I usually take few pieces for my teas.
Ah, that's good. I love it.
Yes, I also love it, and it's with different flavors. Yes, and that's the last one is for hair.
Oh,
That's all.
the hair one, yeah. Do you have a preference to like small bags and having like small items, or is it just today?
Yes, I like small items, and usually when I saw normal size and small size, usually I bought small size. But in the back I have the size I really like. It's something like, it's medium, not big, not small, and usually I put every day the same things, but this is very unusual size for me, but I really like this flower. I think I want this bag only because of the flower.
Oh.
Yes.
So usually, do you kind of like carry big bags with a lot of stuff, or you usually like, let's say for chess tournaments?
For chess tournaments, it's usually a medium-sized bag where I put something like this, and I don't put a lot of stuff because when you are going to the chess game, you need to be checked, and it's not very comfortable to have a lot of stuff to put it off and then put it again in the bag.
Is there something like special that you take with you to chess games that you don't have here?
Yes, usually I take to the chess games inhaler. Yes.
What's that?
Inhalator. No.
Like for breathing?
Yes, for breathing, it's like small, also like refreshing, and that's all.
Why do you take? Do you have to take it, or it helps you with something?
No, it's just when I am feeling boring during the game, for example, when my opponent thinking 1 hour or more. Yeah, I have this situation. I just use it to not to calm down, just to feel more active. I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, I like the mint smell a lot.
Do you have any like objects that you bring to the chess game that would carry like luck?
Usually no.
Like a lucky pen or lucky...
Unfortunately, we are not allowed to bring a pen. Now I have one favorite pen. It's with from card games symbol, but unfortunately I can't bring it to the games.
What about food? Do you bring any food to the chess game?
Sometimes it's just some chocolate. Or vitamin C mint. Yeah, with lemon, that's all.
Stop wasting your time with random opening traps. They don't make you a better chess player. What does? One-on-one guidance, group classes, and a complete training program designed specifically to your level. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.